Welcome back. I've set the table Friday night to Set the Table series. I started this a couple years ago, and my goal with the Set the Table series was not only to teach you how to set a beautiful table and give you recipe ideas, but also just take the intimidation out. And tonight we are having a couple friend of ours over, and right now in life, I am obsessed with a place called Cava. It is like a Chipotle, but Mediterranean style. So it's like you can build your own bowl. I like to get the grains and green bowl there. And so I thought it'd be an easy thing to do on a Friday night to recreate that. So I'm gonna show you the table. I said it earlier, you're gonna see the clips of that. The flowers you saw, how to make that arrangement last week. So if you missed that, go back and watch that flower video. And I got the whole family here. Kids are out front playing baseball. There they are. Let me show you how simple this is, but it's so delicious. It's nutritious, it can be gluten-free, it can be vegan, it can be all the things that people have nowadays. And I'm just gonna set up a little bar. I made do with a beautiful table. You don't need that. If you just wanna keep it simple, then do that. But let me show you what's on the bar, okay? Okay, before I start, I've gotta put this naan in. This is just, I'll show you the brand, that Stonefire naan. You bake it for 5 to 6 minutes. And it's so yummy. So I'm gonna cut that up, serve it on the side. I have some lemon grilled chicken in here, just reheating, previously cooked. For the bowls, I have this Mediterranean lemon quinoa rice. I've got cooked and prepared. So I'll put the rice out, you come over here, you get your greens in the bowl, you put a little rice on top. And then these are all the toppings. I just have a simple tomato cucumber. I try to repeat what Cava does. I have some pickles. I have Kalamata olives. I've got some hot sauce, homemade easy tzatziki sauce, but so delicious. I've got feta. I've got these pickled onions that I made earlier today. They seriously take 5 minutes to make. I did them this morning. This is such a good addition to the bowl. And then I've got this creamy cilantro garlic dip. It's really good. One thing I am missing is hummus. I might need to grab that out. But yeah, these are all the toppings. Kind of build your own bar. Again, very easy, very good. Oh, and some chili paste hot sauce. So that is what's on the menu for dinner. So our friends are almost here. Got all the drinks in the fridge. Food's heating, ready to go. Everything's set out, house is semi-clean, and I'm just gonna light the candles, and that's about it. We've got this little baby gate here right now to keep the puppy. You guys met him in the flower video. If you didn't, this is Dutch. He's their mini Bernedoodle, and we still have Louie. So let me show you our table. All right, there's my table. House is semi-clean, picked up. Let's get this dinner party started. All right, guests are almost here. I'm gonna go get this naan bread out. Gosh, it's pouring rain outside. But that's it, you guys. Keep it simple, keep the menu simple, delicious, nutritious. Invest in your people, in your community that you know, have them over. It doesn't have to be intimidating. And when they're here, just be encouraging to them, ask them good questions about life, what's going on, get them to open up, and that's it. So it's all about, very simple. I'm barefoot and wearing jean shorts, totally casual. All right, we'll see you next week for another video. Are you guys enjoying these? Are you enjoying my new YouTube videos? My husband says I should keep it going. So it feels good to be back on here, back communicating with you guys. I love when you comment. It just makes me feel like I'm not talking to my camera in my house with my kids. So if you have any questions, suggestions on videos, I'm all ears. I'd love to know. Anyways, love you guys. Take care.